Hello guys, welcome back to channel. So in this video I will show you best way to get more money from beginners. Let's start video. So in this way you can away from keyboard and can use default Ec9. So I use 6 minutes test it. Start, I have got 34,907,350. So let's see at the end how many got. So now we finished, let's see how many I got. Now I have got 34,983,100. So we got 75,750 in 6 minutes or 12,625 in 1 minute. So now I will show you my setup for away from keyboard. So as you see I have got default engine Civic Ec9. So gear tune final like this for made gear 1 faster, but other gear up to you. Next is auto clicker setup. First I will put like this for press throttle like this. And second I put like this for made car not turn. So I hope you enjoy my trip. New update will coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you again next video.